Okay, starting with the feedback review, I would be asking you 3 different questions. So feel free to answer your way. So the first question would be like, how would you describe your experience working with our team throughout the project?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think they did a great job of taking the vision because I guess it was a little bit more of a vision because we had the kind of proof of concept in the system there, but thought they did a really good job of taking what was there and making it more real. So just taking that and being able to put it into an actual like website that we can use was really cool and super helpful. And really like the partnership along the way on kind of helping design like what tools were needed, what the tech stack would be, and kind of what all the pieces were to take it from that proof of concept to reality. So definitely really enjoyed working with the team.
Thank you so much. Team was really looking forward towards this project. It was a different niche that we tried and we pulled through it. We are really glad to serve you. Next question would be, how do you feel like final website version in terms of quality, usability, alignment with your brand vision?
Yeah, I think it's exactly what I expected. Obviously, with those couple of feedback points being addressed after UAT, definitely got to where we want to go. With that being said, still gonna continue like testing the AI and giving it more and more images to provide feedback on. But the ones that I've tested so far look good. And then just from a usability standpoint, exactly what I envisioned. So very excited about it, and definitely looking forward to kind of the UX UI improvements, and then excited to also get kind of more people using it to kind of test that scalability and make sure that we're really in a good place to start selling this, which is really exciting.
Likewise. Would you recommend Phaedra Solutions to the other people in your network?
Yeah, I would. It's something that at my job, I'm obviously not telling people that I'm like, oh, I'm doing this side hustle. But as people in kind of the real estate world that I'm in, take a look at this, I'm sure they'll be like, oh, how'd you build this? And because they know that I'm not a coder. So definitely would recommend your team.
Thank you so much.
Was really impressed from the beginning because I think on Upwork I interviewed I think 5 or 6 teams, so I was impressed with your team from the beginning all the way through now, and then in the future as we continue here too.